Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Today we are going to finally reassemble this broken pivot axle. Should look something like this, and it looks like this. Finally got our new one. Not quite a true unboxing. I got it the other day. And I did open it. I haven't taken it out of this package yet. Appears to be the right thing. It's got all the Zert fittings where you want them. It does have a different number, but I don't know if that's a casting number or not. But let's see if it looks remotely similar. Yeah, looks like those line up. So we're gonna take this bushing out of here, put it in there, take this bushing here and put it in that hole there, and then we're gonna start reassembling this thing. I need a better table. See if this works at all. So we gotta pop this bushing out here, and we will wipe those down. I can't find any rags, so we'll just use some dry baby wipes. Clean this off. These will get greased again when it's in place. Clean this up good. Strange sounding noise out there. It sounds like there's a garbage truck in my house. Probably from some of the construction going on around. Get another dry baby wipe. I don't know how clean this thing really needs to be. Probably more clean than I'm gonna get it. Oh, now it doesn't fit. Not a press fit anymore. Falls out. Okay, with that bushing installed, we should be able to go ahead and get this put back in with that bolt. Okay, so we have this pivot axle, and it will go up inside here, and this bolt will hold it all together. Slide it into place. Maybe. Might be too tight of a fit. see if we can slide it on down. No way. It's wider at the ends. All right. Well, we may need to grind this down just a little bit. If you can see it, might need to take a little bit off this surface. See what we're working with. Figure out how we can get this in. That'll be all for today. Thank you for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Remember, 5 minutes a day, you get your projects taken care of.